Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with a Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro emergency stop switch tutorial. The Makera Z1 features a dual safety emergency stop protection system, including both an action button on the front of the machine and an external emergency stop switch providing multiple safety parameters for your creation. Make sure that you connect the external emergency stop button before powering on your machine. Take out the emergency stop button from the accessory kit. Unscrew the protective cover of the e-stop port on the back of the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro. Insert the emergency stop cable and tighten the connector to complete the connection. Connect the power cord and turn on your Makera Z1. Test the emergency stop functionality. With the machine powered on, press the emergency stop button. The spindle indicator should turn red and the machine should beep twice, indicating a successful emergency stop. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to release the button and unlock the machine in the Makera Studio app. The spindle indicator light should turn blue, indicating that the machine is unlocked and in a ready state. In emergencies such as tool breakage, jamming, or loose workpieces, press the emergency stop switch. The machine will stop all operations immediately to protect your safety and the equipment. After resolving any safety hazards, rotate the emergency stop button to release it and unlock the machine within the Makera Studio app. Once the spindle indicator light turns blue, you can operate the machine normally. The front action button on the machine also has a default emergency stop button functionality. You can press this button to stop your machine instantly. Dual safety protection provides solid safety assurances for all of your project creation. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.